If you can have three-dimensional image, a screen, or something like folded screen, yeah, so that you can get the screen to body ratio about 200% or 400%, I think is perfect.
Sitting next to me is Dr. Ye, the technical expert from Coolpad. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Nice to have you here.
Yes, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Well, tell us what Coolpad is all about.
As its name, cool, right? And we design and produce many cool smart devices such as telephone and smartwatch. Yeah.
So Coolpad is a suite of products that are cool.
Yeah.
What makes them cool?
The device is smart, so you will feel cooler. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So if you have a Coolpad device, you're just automatically cooler.
Yes.
You're with the cool kids.
Yes.
What would be your plan? What is your main market?
As our name, maybe you know Coolpad as a smartphone company. Yes, it's right, but not completely right. We also have some products like wearable, like smartwatch, and some smart tracker to help you follow your kids, your pets.
How would the perfect phone look for you, let's say, in 10 years, if you were to design the perfect phone?
I think the perfect phone should have three-dimensional image. If you still have two-dimensional screen, the screen-to-body ratio, now we can get about 90%. So the limitation is 100%. You can't break through this limitation.
Right.
Yes, but if you can have three-dimensional image, a screen, or something like folded screen, yeah, so that you can get the screen-to-body ratio about 200% or 400%, I think is perfect.
What would you choose to have as the major feature that you think is most important? Is it the bigger display? Is it the best camera phone?
I think no matter which brands, Apple, Huawei, or our Coolpad, no matter which brands, you must charge your phone every day, right?
All the time.
Yes, it's boring. I don't like it.
It's boring.
Yes.
Yeah, charging a battery is boring.
Yeah. So if you can have a battery that you just need to charge every 5 days or every 10 days, wow, I think it's a great progress.
So then what about artificial intelligence? What about AI in your products?
We are also, it is a main point of our research, and we are going to have an AI research center in America by the end of this year in Silicon Valley. And we are researching about many AI technologies now, such as face recognition, yeah, and voice recognition, yeah, and some technologies such as object classification.
So it seems like you have a very wide imagination. If you could create your most perfect phone in an ideal world, anything you can put in this phone, think outside the box. What would you have your phone do?
It should know what I think. Yeah, I don't need to use my hand to type some words. Yeah, or I don't need to speak to him. Yeah, I just think, and it can know what I'm thinking about.
Okay, so for our viewers who want to know all about Coolpad's upcoming products, so what are some of the major features that our viewers can look out for?
This year and in the later 3 years, I think the keywords we will pay attention to is 5G. In addition, we have already about 800 patents about 5G. For example, D2D, device to device. Yeah. Now we are, for example, when you watch your phone, that's human to device, right? Yeah. So in 5G, there are more D2D communications. Yeah. And some technologies such as small cell. Yeah, small cell. And some, and for example, millimeter waves. So you have higher frequency or wider frequency. You can have higher transmission rates. Yeah, so a movie, when you download a movie, maybe now you need to spend 10 minutes, and in the future you need to just 1 second. And another word I think is no latency. Latency. Yeah. When you talk to your phone, maybe it will after 1 second and they can answer you, but maybe later it can answer you very quickly. Yeah, you can't feel any latency.
Well, Dr. Ye, I have a surprise for you. I got a phone that reads your mind. I did. Okay. Here, let's try it out. Okay, so you just have to stare at it and think the thoughts, okay?
Yeah.
Okay? You done with your thought?
Yeah.
Okay, now this magic phone's gonna tell me. You want a hamburger? That's what you're thinking about?
Yes!
That's what you're thinking about?
Yes!
Wow, this really works.
Yeah.
Well, you go get your hamburger. Thank you so much for coming to chat with me. This is really exciting, and I can't wait to find that phone that's quick, smart, and also reads your mind.
Yes.